Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to delete apps on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 26. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Delete apps from iPhone storage. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Then swipe down and tap on General. Select iPhone storage. Now scroll through the list and find the app you want to delete. Tap on the app. Then tap Delete App. Now confirm your action. This method is especially useful if the app icon doesn't show a delete option on the home screen. Method 2. Delete apps from the home screen. For this, press and hold the app icon you want to delete. A menu will pop up. Tap Remove App. Then select Delete App. Tap Delete again to confirm. If you don't see the option, it might be restricted by screen time settings. Method 3. Check screen time settings. To check the screen time settings, again open the Settings app. On the settings, swipe down and tap Screen Time. On the screen time, find and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. Here, make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled. Then tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now go to Deleting Apps. Make sure that Allow is selected. Method 4. Restart or reboot your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve system glitches. Here's how to do it on Face ID models. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side lock button until you see the Apple logo. Now wait for your phone to restart and then try deleting the app again. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you delete apps from your iPhone or iPad. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.